The keratin growing out of your jaw is a piece of specialized biological hardware. Shaving does not force it to grow back thicker, nor is a dense beard a reliable indicator of high testosterone. The reality is a matter of specific evolutionary design. Humans are the only primates that fight with closed fists. We must identify why we evolved hair over vulnerable facial bones, like the mandible. The beard sits directly over the jawline, the primary target in interpersonal combat, and the most common site of facial fractures. To investigate this connection, researchers at the University of Utah tested the Pugilism Hypothesis. Their study, which earned a 2021 Ig Nobel Prize, looked at the beard as a functional defense system rather than an aesthetic choice. The team used a fiber epoxy composite to simulate human bone, then covered it in thick sheep fleece to replicate a beard's impact dampening properties. They then utilized a drop weight impact tester to measure exactly how much energy the hair could actually deflect. This chart shows the results. The furred samples absorbed 37% more energy and withstood 16% more blunt force than the hairless samples. Facial hair acts as a kinetic energy disperser. It functions as literal biological armor, capable of preventing the jaw fractures that would have been life-threatening in our prehistoric past. Building this armor requires a specific genetic starting point. Humans are born with all the hair follicles they will ever have, and no external product can create new ones. The EDAR gene serves as the master blueprint for this construction. It dictates follicle density, hair thickness, and exactly how that hair is distributed across your body. A patchy or thin beard is a result of the genetic follicle allocation coded into your DNA. It is a predetermined physical trait, independent of lifestyle choices. Testosterone serves as the passive raw material for facial hair, circulating through the body without directly triggering follicle growth. The growth requires a catalyst, the 5-alpha reductase enzyme. It intercepts circulating testosterone, converting it into a potent new hormone. This byproduct, DHT, binds to androgen receptors at your follicle's base, forcing them to stop fine vellus hairs and manufacture thick, pigmented terminal hairs. Beard density is the output of this calibrated enzymatic process and localized receptor sensitivity. The body operates a sophisticated manufacturing plant just below the surface of the skin. We can see this machinery in action across the entire human population through the clinical condition of hirsutism. Conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome or androgen-secreting tumors trigger hormonal shifts in women. These shifts provide the raw material that fuels the 5-alpha reductase engine, leading to male pattern facial hair growth. This confirms the beard is a universal biological hardware system present in all humans, activated once hormones cross a specific biochemical threshold. Growing a beard requires a complete biological supply chain, the DNA blueprint, an enzymatic conversion engine, and a structural protein output. This biochemical machinery is the direct result of prehistoric survival needs. It was built to shield the face from impact. Your beard is not a cosmetic trend. It is a living relic of our violent evolutionary past, written directly into our biology.